Hello, today we will see a question from Standard 10th Maths NCERT. So let's check the question. A thief runs with a uniform speed of 100 meters per minute. After 1 minute, a policeman runs after the thief to catch him. He goes with a speed of 100 meters per minute in first minute and increases his speed by 10 meters per minute every succeeding minute. After how many minutes the policeman will catch the thief? So if you visualize this question here, you can see there is one thief and there is one policeman. So thief runs at a speed of 100 meters per minute and police runs 100 meters per minute and ultimately it catches the thief. But if you see this again carefully, you can see here this thief has started running. After 1 minute, this police starts running. And the policeman caught the thief. Now, what does this mean to us? This means the distance which is travelled by the thief and which is travelled by the policeman, both are same. If this policeman has taken, say, a time, the thief has taken the same time? No. Since he had started running earlier, he has taken 1 minute more. This is the first step to understand to solve this question. Now, we will first gather the data for thief and for policeman. If we talk about time, let's say this policeman take X unit. So by default, as we have seen, this thief has taken X plus 1 unit. So speed for this policeman is, the speed for this thief is 100 meters per minute, whereas for this police, we have been informed that 100 meters per minute in first minute, then is increases by 10 meters per minute every succeeding minute. This means in first minute the speed of police is 100 meters per minute. For second minute his speed will be 110 meters per minute. For third minute his speed will be 120 meters per minute, and fourth minute his speed would be 130 meters per minute, and it goes on increasing. Now we need to understand this part. Please pay your attention. If you check out, this could be 100, 110, 120, 130. So what do you guess? Yes, your guess is right. It is an AP, arithmetic progression. So here, our term 1 is 100 and the difference is 10. Please keep this in your mind. So this 100, 110, 120, 130, this forms an AP, and where T1 is 100 and D is 10. If we talk about the formula that speed is equal to distance upon time, so distance is equal to time into speed. So here for this thief, distance is equal to 100 multiplied by x plus 1. Here 100 is his speed and x plus 1 is the time taken by the thief. And for this policeman, it is sum of an AP. So what is this sum of an AP? Let's try to understand. Total distance by police is equal to sum of an AP. Sum of an AP is equal to Sn is equal to n by 2 times 2 times 1 plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula you need to remember. Here Sn is equal to n by 2 times 2 times t1, that is term 1, plus n minus 1 into d. Sx is equal to x over 2 times t1 plus x minus 1 into d. Now we will substitute the respective values of term 1 and difference. We get this one. If we solve this, we get this. And finally, we have come across Sx, that is total distance by police, is equal to x by 2 into 190 plus 10x. Remember this value. I'll show you later on. So here we use the symbol Sn for sum of n term, but here we are working with x, so this n becomes x, and now onwards we will use as Sx. So Sn by Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2 times t1 plus n minus 1 into d. It becomes Sx is equal to x by 2 times t1 plus x minus 1 into d. This is the only point which you need to understand clearly and remember, because when you solve the equation for first time, it doesn't give you the idea that you should take n as a time taken by the police. Generally we take x, and for that reason we need to change the value of this formula. So I hope you understand. So here total distance by police is equal to total distance by thief. So what is the total distance by police? It is sum of an AP, and this is equal to 100 into x plus 1. So this value we have already calculated, and if we solve this further, I am not going to recite each and every step to save the time. If we solve this further, we come across finally this solution: 10x squared minus 10x minus 200 is equal to 0. Now this is our quadratic equation. If we divide it by 10, since it is common, we get x squared minus x minus 20. And if we factorize this, we get x squared minus 5x plus 4x minus 20. And finally, we get x minus 5 and x plus 4 as the factor. And from this we get x is equal to 5 or x is equal to minus 4. But since time cannot be negative, so x is equal to 5. And therefore our answer is 5 minutes. I hope you have understood. So let's see how to write in Excel. So here first you need to write solution, then let time taken by police be x unit. Therefore time taken by thief will be x plus 1 unit. Speed of a thief is 100 meters per minute. Speed of a police is given to us, and therefore in first minute this calculation you need to show. And then one important sentence that this is an AP where T1 is 100 and D is 10. Total distance by police is equal to sum of an AP, and total distance by thief is 100 into x plus 1. Here total distance by police is equal to total distance by thief. This is another main important point. So sum of an AP is equal to 100 into x plus 1, and sum of an AP is Sx is equal to x by 2, 190 plus 10x, where you need to show this calculation. Here I am not showing, but you need to show it, and below that you have to write down this one. So here x is equal to 5 or x is equal to minus 4. Since time cannot be negative, so x is equal to 5, and our answer is 5 minutes. I hope you understand. If you understand, let me know. If you have not understood, then also let me know. Thanks for watching.